My dear students, good morning to all of you. Today, as I told you, that I will be showing you how to set the microscope. So, please watch this video carefully so that you may come to know how a microscope is properly set. Number one, this mirror is to be set so that light is coming through the mirror in the lenses. Now it is okay. Number two, this objective, this eyepiece, these two must be cleaned. So I have already cleaned it. Number three, this is your slide. Slide must be clean. Then I will keep the slide here and then I will adjust the lens. First of all, I am going to show you a slide of salt. ये नमक है मेरे पास. नमक माइक्रोस्कोप में कैसा दिखाई देता है देखिए. ये नमक को मैं फैला देता हूँ. इसके ऊपर नमक क्योंकि गीला नहीं है इसलिए आई विल नॉट बी covering it with the cover slip. Now I am keeping it here. Now the students of 6th, 7th and 8th, you are to adjust this from this main adjustment. अभी मैंने काफ़ी ऊपर कर लिया है, अब मैं नीचे लेकर आऊँगा. Slowly and slowly. Now I am able to see the crystals of salt in the microscope. I have set it. Now the fine adjustment can be done from here so that the crystal is absolutely clear to you. So now the crystal is clear. आप ये कैमरा लाकर यहाँ दिखा दीजिए बच्चों को. The second, I am showing you how you can see your hair. This is a hair. बहुत बारीक बाल है ये. आपके बाल किस तरह के नज़र आते हैं देखिए. तो आई हैव kept one hair is. Now it is kept. Then again the microscope is to be set from this portion. The fine setting is to be done. Now you can see it. The structure of a hair. दिखा दीजिए. This is the video of a human hair under the microscope. Okay. बस. Students, I am showing you how to make a slide and how to adjust the microscope final curd. दही जो आप खाते हैं, ये मेरे पास दही है. एक ब्रश की सहायता से मैंने थोड़ा सा दही का एक ड्रॉप लिया, यहाँ लगा दिया स्लाइड के ऊपर. और this you will have to cover with the cover slip. धीरे से इसके ऊपर कवर स्लिप रखनी है एक साइड से और फिर धीरे धीरे छोड़ते जाएंगे हम इस तरह से। नाउ यू विल सी इट अंडर द माइक्रोस्कोप। You can adjust the microscope from here. Now I can see under the low power of microscope a number of bacteria, small, गोल गोल छोटे छोटे पाउडर की तरह मुझे दिखाई दे रहे हैं। यू कैन सी इट्स वीडियो। यू कैन सी स्मॉल now it is clear. If you see it under the high power microscope you can see bacteria, but I will not show you, because if you will have a look at the bacterium you will not eat curd in future. Therefore I am not showing you it in high power. So these are the bacteria, lactobacillus bacteria in curd. These are our friends, not our foe. So don't worry, these are helpful for us. Okay, I hope the things are very clear to you. You can see the microscope now, you can adjust the microscope now, you know the parts of the microscope, how to clean the microscope and how the care of the microscope is to be done. Thank you. Have a nice day.